Guys, so welcome to Maze Chess, and today I will be teaching you how to play London system. So let's get started. So the London system began in late 19th century, played by James Mason, who used to similar setup through the name London system come from its appearance. Its 7 games at 1922 London tournament. It gained popularity among elite players in 1920s and later became a staple for many top players, including Magnus Carlsen, who helped revive the interest during 21st century, and it is his favorite openings also. So yeah, London system is really great. Also, in this video, I will be teaching you how to actually play, how to actually checkmate with London system, and how to actually win. So the idea is simple. You will start as d4. This piece is out. This is pressuring here. And then probably they will play something like this. Like d5. Then pull your bishop out. Why? Because if you bring this out, then your bishop will be locked. So first pull your bishop out of the corner. Then they will play knight to f6, defending this piece, and they also here also. So you got the point. And then play e3, defending this and this. Then they will play e6 because now this is checked. If they play something bad, you can actually take the knight up and then play knight to d2 from here. Let me tell you why. In the future, it will really help you checkmate it. Trust me, guys. So they will play something like c5, pressuring this side. No worries. We will play c3, defending this piece, and now if we take this, we take this here, and then they will play something like knight to c6, now attacking this piece up because now they want to regain it too, but we are already protecting this piece from this side and this side. They are protecting this, and they are protecting this. So you got the point. And then play knight to gf3. Now you are protecting this piece and this piece. It will be really helpful, trust me. And then they will play something like bishop to d6. Why? Because now they want to take this piece up and it will be a trade. But just back it out here. That's all. That's all you have to do. Then they will castle it because now the king and rook were free. So they castle and then play bishop d3. And yeah, congratulations, you are finally on the London system. And then they will play something like queen e7 because now they are protecting this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece. So yeah, there are many pieces they are protecting at once. So London system is really great to just uh, demolish your opponent's entire defense system and then just play knight to e5. Trust me, guys, if they take this, and then you can easily take this, and they are losing it because now you have one bishop up, and bishop are expensive. So they will play something like this, just because they are getting defended by this, and that if you play something like this, they will play this, and then sacrifice your bishop. They will easily take it happily, and then sacrifice your pawn up. They will take it. And guys, let me teach you. If ever anyone tried to give you a free pawn or free bishop or anything, don't take it, please. Because that thing could be poisonous and so dangerous that you can never think about. And then the whole idea starts from here. We will take the pawn, giving another free bishop. They will take it happily and then play something like this. They have no other move just to move out and then pull your knight out. Guys, see, this is so deadly that most people, trust me, at least 50% people will be like, okay, free bishop, or I mean free knight. Let's take it. Boom. And you just took out the free coin up, and now you are actually a coin piece up. So you are winning the game already. Then all you have to do is calculate all the scenarios and win the game, which is not a big deal for you guys, right? Well, after this, if we go back here, they will, if they are smart, they will play something like this, which is going to c4, and then play something like this. Now see, this is again like I said, if they play something like this, then they are defending this piece up, and you can't checkmate at this point. But here you can actually literally defend it like this way, and if they move, then will try to move here, do here, they will move here, play this, boom, boom, trying to checkmate you. If they try to even come close to you, or they move away just because now they want to check you, just go here, just hide inside. They can't do anything. And then they will be like, okay, let's try to pressurize you, and you are winning it. Boom, a checkmate. Okay, let's go back to the same scenario where they tried to put pressure on this piece, and boom, another checkmate. Okay, if they tried to pull their pawn out or something, then same idea, a checkmate. So, London system is such a deadly trap that if your opponent play anything right, it's it's a game over. Trust me. All you have to do is make them corner them up here and then attack. And that's all you have to do. So that's all for London system. And now I will teach you how to defend it. I mean, if you are playing it, maybe your enemy will try to play it against you 10 watt. So let me set up the whole game and show you in the video. So let's get started with the defense part. So if they play something like this, your opponent, which will they will play, then just play h5. I mean, come on guys, you would think that like I am stupid or I am mad because now they can easily set it up, and yeah, they will if they play e3 and lock their bishop up. So it's a it's a endgame for you. Like just play e5. If they take this, just play this. They will try to defend it, and they will move here because n- anything they will do, it's basically just giving up your bishop just for a free pawn, and which they are definitely losing it because we are playing the trap. What if they take it with the pawn? I mean, what if they take your pawn with the knight, their bishop? Then just play this. If they take this, boom, you are already giving this a protection. If they play here, boom, and boom. If they play here, then boom. So they will do something like this and just play this. They will do this and just this. And see, after this, your opponent is already crying because they are losing their bishop. Imagine playing London system and losing your bishop with a pawn. So that's a deadly trap against your enemy, and basically you need to be good at chess to actually checkmate your opponent who is playing London system or any other system, because after this your most of the pieces are free or most of the area is open up. So playing and getting checkmate is much easier. So it's not recommended, but yeah, you can try. And with that, now I will teach you how to play a more deadly trap than London system, which will be played as again white. So let me show you and set up all the pieces. So if your opponent plays, if you are playing London system and your opponent is trying to be smart and trying to be out of script, they will play something like this. After d4, knight to f6, just put your bishop out. Then d5, e3, just basic London system, and they will put their bishop out here. Trust me, they are just trying to scare you. Like, hey, we are watching your queen. Then just put your knight up. No worries. Just take it and we will take you. Just see. This is how generous trait to be. Then they will play e6, knight to bd2, then knight c6, then just play queen to a4. Just see. After this London system, just play this. Now you are giving pressure here, you are giving pressure here, and they are predicting this. So what they will do? Okay, no worries. And they are predicting this too, and they are predicting this too. And you are putting pressure here and here. So what they will play is this, giving your bishop a pressure and then do a brilliant sacrifice here. Just play this. If they don't take it, then you just like, let's see, if they do something like this, boom, they will try to be smart, boom, and then basically you can see the graph, you are winning, and then play something like this. If they even try to come near you, okay, they will do something like this. Then you take this, boom, bam, check, check, and then just take this, they will take it, boom, and then let's go, another check. They will go here, play this. If they try to be smart, just play this move. They come here, play this. They take this and then play this. Checkmate. See, there are many variation of these moves. Like, let's see. Like you take this. Like what if they take this and then you take this? So now all they have to do is go here or there. If they go here, then just play this. Here, uh, so basically you can do this all the time. They do this here. They try to stop you again. They come here, boom, check, check. They will try to stop you. Okay, now what you will do? So let me show you back here. They try to threat you, but if not, then they will play something like this. They move up, go back, take this, and yeah, there are many variations, so you can see all of it. Like this. Like basically you are taking everything up and cornering them up. Or maybe they will play something like, so there you go. Then you can win like this way also. So there are many of the traps out there which you can win. But for that, all you need to do is be good at chess. Just spot all the possible outcomes what your opponent can think. And yeah, the win is yours. Well, I hope you liked my London system video. In next video, I will be teaching you Caro-Can, and after that Sicilian, and there are many more. I will be teaching you games from history like Gary or Bobby Fischer, or there are many other legends like Tal. So that's all for today, guys. See you around in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.